Good morning, friends! Sorry if I dress like this, but I promise I'm not naked. So, when I wake up this morning and I came up here, wow, I cannot believe that I already cleaned this room, guys. Yeah, I just cannot believe na ano na, I have cleaned, I have organized or decorated a little. I'm so excited na to do some sit down filming because ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakapag sit down filming, guys. Like, when was that? Yung mga ano ko pa, yung Unitop haul or yan. Ang tagal na nun. It was a long time ago. So, still the box up here, I don't care. And yeah, it feels so good here already. It feels like ano ba yan? Hindi na siya nakaka-depress kasi nga ano na, or malinis na siya, and then hindi na siya nakakalat. Unlike before na whenever I come inside in this room and I see the kalat, oh my god, it gives me anxiety talaga, guys. So I'm just happy. Yay! So today we are going to buy some school supply stuff para sa mga bata, and then yeah, everything they need para sa school. Kasi 1 month to go na lang, guys, and then it's going to be school days again. Ang bilis. And then Christmas na naman. It's so fast. So yeah, I think I've talked a lot, and then magbibihis na ako, guys. Kasi it's already 10. Baka magalit na naman si Ruki kasi ang tagal namin. So I'm gonna see you later. Friends, we're ready. I'm ready na. Wow. I was trying to do big curls on my hair, but it ended up medyo small. But it's okay kasi magiging flat naman siya later, guys. I don't know, my hair is so weird. It doesn't hold any curl at all. And I also don't have before spray, yung before ka mag curl or mag curl ng hair. I ran out of that. That's why my hair is so madali siyang bumagsak. Yun pala yung term, madali siyang bumagsak. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm still using the Careline lip and cheek tint. I really fell in love with that, diba? I did not expect na magugustuhan ko yung Careline. So yun, we're ready and kakain na muna kami. Sashi is there sa background, and of course Miguel is crying, always crying. So let's go here. Ang pangit na ng lighting. Let's eat. Ang sa pan ka, day? Pan lang ko eh. Hi. Oh gosh. Hey girls. Hi friends. So we're on our way para to buy Baba's getaway things.
Getaway car.
Na-busy siya, oh. Hindi makontak. Hindi lagi na makontak. Yak. Ludan, judan niya, oy.
Wakay lingaw.
Kanibang ang driver ba kay always iwi. It's so gloomy today. I think we're going to SM City today. Kay
Later.
Today, later, alage. We still have other place to go, but after that we're going to SM City kasi nagsawa na kami sa SM Seaside. Kasi neighbor lang naman natin yung SM Seaside, di ba?
Common lingaw.
Yeah, we're always there kasi medyo malapit lang. So we're on our way there, guys. Wow, nindutas ligid, oh. Yan. And we already had lunch. Maybe later we'll just have a snack like halo-halo, no? You wanna eat halo-halo? Yeah, halo-halo nga, chocolate daan. Itong halo-halo ba sa dim sum? So, halo-halo sa dim sum na chocolate flavor. Yan. So, see you in a bit. Diba? Wala mong gawin mong snatch. We're inside the mall. That is not sure sa inside the mall. Galing kami sa department store but wala kaming nakitang shoes there. So, we're going to sa 80 na ano or cardams na di ba ba? Kapoy na sa baba. Kapoy na ka ba? Daming tao. I really hate it here. Kasi daming tao. Parang girl. Bapa kayang girl. Ang kapoy. Wow, it's so blurry. Sinahanap namin yung mga shoes. Pero hindi namin nakita na saan na yung shoe. Hala, may Miniso doon. No. Hala, so fab. Hala, dakuha sa Miniso. Pariya ramanggo, di ba?
Small.
Oo. Nakasuot na di kag Miniso ba?
What?
Nakasuot? Oo, pambi ay.
Oh, pero
Are you really sure? Ay, asan naman yung mga shoes, eh? Guys, nag-chill muna kami dito sa coffee drink because Baba said she wanted a coffee. Weird. Weirdo. Coffee ka ba? Filler ka? Ano, filler ka siya, Tino? We're at coffee drink. Baba. What coffee? Inside mo ba? Hot coffee? Wala pa sila nagkabay ng shoes. Nag-coffee na siya. Saba, what's your problem? They already got their coffee. What's the reaction ni mo ba? What's the reaction ni Baba? Hindi ka dahil ba? Siingon si ate. Sabi ni ate at ni Baba, kalumni.
ayaw.
Mga ihas.
I-mix mo ka sa
Uy, ayaw i-mix. Do not mix. Oh my God, why are they mixing? We lick the kuan cream. Diba? So, maghahanap na naman kami ng sapatos. I don't know where are the shoe section. Hindi sa SM City. It's been a while since I'm here. And I don't know where are the... Sa North Wing. Hey friends. So, we are here at SMC Side Jollibee.
No?
Guys, we end up not buying sa SM City kasi wala doon yung hinahanap namin. So, we went to Super Metro na sa Colon and we bought some school supplies doon. But we haven't bought shoes para nila sa at Baba kasi wala pa. Konti na lang yung natirang mga school shoes doon. So maybe we'll go another day and buy their shoes. And may mga kulang pa din yung mga grooming kit ni Baba. Kailangan pa din bilhin. So we are already tired. So we decided na we'll go here sa seaside to eat. Yeah, we are here. And we're just waiting for our food. What's your number, Mom?
90.
Really? Is that real? Are you a reliable source? Hi ba?
Awa ba? Ako kay piso.
Nagro-rose na lang sila asa. Where?
Awa ba? Ako kay piso.
Good.
Dako, bito.
Awa.
You're crazy.
Anawa, dapit sa kanang Toyota ba?
Ay ba ako? Oh yeah. I saw it. Akala ko inside sa Jollibee. Your comments akong lips. Your lips are violet. Imo. Ano sa to imo? Brown sad. Imo. Green. Birdie ang dugo. Let's see. Today. We're home, friends. I'm so tired kasi super traffic. Grabe. Grabe na yung traffic here sa Cebu, guys. As in, nakakapagod. So, it's already 8 p.m. and I'm so tired. And I wanted to say goodnight, guys, because I want to take a rest. And I also wanted to upload my video kasi na late na. Supposedly, I'm going to upload it by 7 p.m. But yun nga, it's so traffic and late na kaming nakauwi. So, I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video, guys, and I also hope that you had a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. See you on my next video. Bye!